Hey friends, Dylan Bates here, your Final Cut Bro. We are going to be doing the drawing for the year of Soundstripe for last week's video. Super excited about this. So I was going to tack this on the end of this week's tutorial, but that video is like 45 minutes long. It's so long, so I thought I'd just make a separate video. So bear with me with the double posting. Anyway, let's go ahead and do this drawing. So I got my cup here, and I'm just gonna throw this in the air and try and catch something out of the air, and that's how we're gonna do the drawing. Hopefully that turned out way cooler than it felt. Okay, so the winner for the year of Soundstripe music is... Can you read that? Oh, come on, the suspense. Focus. Tinkermind 3D. So, congratulations, and also thank you for all your support. You're one of those people commenting on my channel and just getting people stoked to see my videos, so thank you so much for all your support. It really does mean a lot to me. And yeah, to everybody else, I am sorry you didn't win. I wish I could give you all a year of Soundstripe because it's just absolutely incredible. But I can give you my discount code, TheFinalCutBro, if you're interested, to get 10% off. And it does also support my channel, which is great. So if you feel like doing that, you can do that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. This channel is just an absolute blast, and I can't wait to see what happens in the future. So I'm gonna go clean up all this paper now.